Sugar here. Today I'm gonna show you my Rubik's Cube collection. So let's begin. We can start out with the first cube, 2x2s. I gave one of mine away, so we got this one. I just got it yesterday. It's that. It moves very smoothly, like this. Yeah, it's a pretty good cube. I always wanted like a speed cube like this. So let's move on to the 3x3s. We got the Rubik's Cube brand. The brand is pretty nice. But this, if you can see, it's like very not that smooth. Not that much if you're going for speed cubing. So yeah. We got the same thing as my 2x2. It's a 3x3 and it's a speed cube. Oh, there. Scrambled it. Shoot, I'll be right back. Now we're back. So, like I was saying, it's a good speed cube. It's a good, same thing, same brands and stuff. Pretty nice cube. We got a little Rubik's Cube. I stopped. Yeah, it's very hard to turn. Literally, turn it. Oh, yeah, it's gonna soon break. Oh, dang, it was a crack. Oh! If you can see that, looks like a piece is gonna pop. The back cube. Yeah, so, yeah. Move on to the 4x4. So, first, I only have one. This is the V cube. It's a cool V cube. I kind of like, it's a smooth cube. I think so. It doesn't. Pretty of a smooth cube, so yeah. Let's move on to 5x5s. First 5x5 Rubik's brand. Yeah, Rubik's brand. Pretty bad at turning. Yeah. Let's go to some weird Rubik's cubes. First, we got the Pyramix cube. Pretty good Pyramix cube. Not gonna lie. Yeah, it's a pretty good, cool. It's a pretty good, smooth. Yeah. Next, we got this cube that I forgot what it was called, but it's a random cube. Next, we got. Oh yeah, I already said that. Well, this is this random cube. Pretty good cube. Have it. Yeah, it goes like this. Turns like this. Hell yeah. Next, we got the tower cube. I got this for like a birthday present. It is very madness to solve. Yeah, pretty hard. Next, we got two mirror cubes. I got these for like Easter. Got them in my thing. Yeah, it's a pretty good cube. Got the gold in this one. Still don't know how to solve them. If you guys know how to solve them, then yeah. Next, we got this one. It feels like a dollar store. I heard it's like a dollar store cube, dude. It's not smooth. Can't really. Yeah, it's pretty bad. It's a Christmas. Not really a cube. It's just stuff to put in. There used to be candy in here. I pranked some people. Like, can't turn it. So yeah, move on to our last cube. Our last cube is the bear cube. It's a pretty good cube. It's very easy to solve. It's kind of smooth. And I'm just gonna scramble it. So I scrambled it, and now it's time to solve it. Boom, I solved it. Pretty easy. Yeah. Oh, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Turn notifications in. Peace.
Just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see it shine, 'cause we're golden.